Hello, everybody. I am Muhammad Gawed, and welcome for everyone in my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you Visual Basic Macro in Excel to create summary for all worksheets in one workbook within seconds to avoid wasting your time and doing much effort. First, let me give you a short brief for this exercise. Our case for a company has around 60 branches. Every worksheet here represent the location of branches like Cairo, Tokyo, Casablanca, Rio, and so on. Here you will find the serial number of the product, and here you will find the color. These numbers reflect the profits, and here the total of profit per product. If this is the first time you will add code to your Excel, you need developer tab. How can you get the developer tab? You will get here, right click, custom ribbon, choose developer, and OK. Click on developer, Visual Basic. You will find here all workbook you open. So we will choose our workbook and insert module, and we'll take the code copy paste here in this window. Like get here and Control C, then Control V. Before we run this code, I'd like to show you the strengths and the advantage of my code. The code can handle with all upcoming cases. Case 1, like data are not in fixed range. If we check tab of Cairo, we will find the last row 6, and Tokyo last row is 7. Casablanca last row is 10, and so on. So first case, it's not a fixed range. Case 2, the start range of Cairo A1 and end range L6, but you will find in Rio start cell C5 and end range N15. So start range and end range for all worksheet isn't the same. And case 3, you will find empty column and empty row like Budapest. Here, column L is empty. Also, row 8 is empty. Case 4, some worksheet can add by mistake, like Ankara. It's empty worksheet. So the code, when start looping through this worksheet and find some empty sheets, it will be excluded from our summary. Case 5, some worksheets will be not visible, like hidden sheets. Also, the code can handle only the visible sheets. We can make a little edit to handle with all sheet, whatever visible or hidden. But in this case, I like to deal only with visible sheets. And last point I'd like to mention, I will add all sheet name or name of branches to summary to make it organized and more readable. Let's run the code. We will get here and run. Perfect. This is our a summary sheet for all branches. Hope this information was fruitful and useful for you. You will find the code in the description if you like to take it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and active the bell to get all notification for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my video. See you later. Have a nice day.